everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Cherrush on a Budget. Today I'll show you guys how I make my flip over wigs. But before I do that, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notifications button and let's get started. So for this tutorial, I am using a wig cap, a needle and thread, and a wig stand over wig making head. I am sewing a track in at the perimeter of my wig cap. It's easier if you just basically flip your wig cap inside out and then sew the hair onto it. I chose the difficult route. Why, I do not know, but I am sewing a track of hair on the inside of my wig cap. So when you pull the hair up, it's like a seamless. So when you have like the wind blowing, you don't see any bumps, humps, or otherwise. Okay, so now I'm just gonna sew down track by track. I'm just using a loop method, so basically just stitching it down and then looping the thread through the hair. I'm not going through the weft, I am sewing around it. As you can see, I pinned down the weft because it makes it easier, so I can use both my hands to sew wig down, and believe me, it goes way faster like that. Okay, so I'm halfway through making this wig, and I just wanted to show you guys how far I have come, and basically show you guys again how it works with sewing the hair down and using the wig pins just to make it easier for yourself. So as you can see, I pinned the track down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and loop sew the tracks down. So this is what the hair looks like, almost completely done. Now I'm gonna do the flip over method. The way I do it, I basically just split my tracks in the middle. So usually when you get a bundles, they're actually pretty thick, and you can just split the track in the middle, and then you get a really thin track. So I'm just doing it like the Ivy flip over method. Instead of cutting, I just fold the hair back and forth. As you can see, I'm folding back and forth. I'm not cutting. I think I was out of hair here, so I'm just gonna pick up another piece that I've left over, and I will start sewing that down again. What I like about these wig caps is that they have like the perfect line of where to stop for making a flip over wig. So if you can find a wig cap just like this, it has like a darker piece, and then I know exactly where to stop, and I can start my flip over process. So I am almost done with the flip over part, just going back and forth horizontally, and now you just need to, you're left with this U-shaped situation. And what I do, like I said before, I don't cut the track, especially when they're this thin. I just fold and fold and fold until I get to the end. So that's the U situation I was talking about. So I will go away, I'm sew now away from the hairline. So now I'm just stitching the ends close. So I'm just going over the track a couple of times, making 2 knots to make sure that it is secure. Cut the excess hair off and you're done. Et voila! Flip over wig, you can flip any which way. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it's installed in my hair. I've done my own twist method, how to blend the hair. And what I love about this hair is that it's really kinky and it really matches my own hair texture. So yeah, this is the end result of how the wig will look in the end. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. I know I've been very busy, but yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.